Ashwin,
How are you?
the Fed raised interest rates 9 times, which caused the Nasdaq to drop 23% since January of 2022. And as interest rates were rising, smaller US banks were reckless in their risk management. And this caused the collapse of the Silicon Valley Bank as well as First Republic. And amidst this chaos, Credit Suisse failed and was bailed out by the Swiss government, with UBS being forced to take over the bank. And now we are finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. The Nasdaq 100 surged into a new bull market for the first time in 3 years, 2 days ago on the 28th of March, as traders piled into tech stocks. The Nasdaq has climbed 20% since its low in December of 2022. Now, why am I spouting all these facts? I want to get your take on this, especially on how we can make money from this volatility.
Yes, Tessie. Finally, the day that everyone has been waiting for has arrived. Finally. Because in this situation, we are helpless as professionals because the entire market direction depends on one man, the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Fed Powell. Without him backing off, the market was just coming down all the way, and it was so volatile, one day up, one day down, and it's so difficult to make money in that kind of circumstance.
Right.
In that scenario, we realize that active income alone is not enough, because in this case, we had a special case where bonds were dropping and stocks were dropping. So the income was also dropping. Right? So what did we do? As early as 2 weeks ago, fund managers, just to let everyone know, they were already buying Singapore stocks. Means they already saw this coming. Now, what we did was this over the last 1 year. We have added a new module to our trading system where we have a passive income element now, where there's a managed fund that is run by professional fund managers who are situated worldwide. And these professional fund managers, since 2013, they've been churning out returns of 5 to 7% every 4 to 5 weeks.
Wow.
To up the ante, since December last year, they have a new suite of managed funds that have been churning out 8 to 10% every 4 to 5 weeks.
And how are they able to do this when the market is so volatile?
Right. Number one, these funds, they trade volatility, meaning up and down. They don't trade market direction. Big difference here.
Okay.
As long as the market moves up and down, they make money. Secondly, these funds do not trade stocks. They only trade FX and commodities. Why? Because FX alone is $1 trillion market per day.
Right.
So liquidity is very good. You don't have to worry about not being able to come out. So all the work will be done by these professional fund managers. You as investors just sit down there and collect money 8% every 4 to 5 weeks.
As opposed to the active package where you actually get involved with the buying and selling.
The package still exists. It's a package. You can't do active only or passive only. You have to do both. So now you have passive 8% every 4 to 5 weeks. Then you have active, which gives you 20 to 30% a year. And now that the markets have come back, okay, we see stocks again stabilizing. And that means the bond market will go up. So you got stocks going up, you got bonds going up, you got income there, plus you got passive income. The best of both. And the passive side, let me stress, the work is being done by a team of professional fund managers. So now 2 modules and different streams of income.
It's almost like a hedging program where 2 parts work together.
Yes. And the good thing is this hedging program, professional traders now do the other part for us.
So what happens when the market comes back, bounces back, and it becomes less volatile? The combination changes.
You will see the US dollar drop.
Yes.
When the US dollar drops, these funds will short the US dollar and make money for you.
Wonderful. Sounds good. I have a whole barrage of questions. Now, how would you like us to get in touch with you if we are interested to know more or to see if we want to get involved.
Please contact me at bit.ly/algotrader. Okay. We're also starting up a new website. It's called algomasters.com. Okay. And you can
Right.
watch this video on our YouTube channel at bit.ly/algowealth. I'm sure lots of you have a lot of questions, but
Yeah.
before I sign off, you've got passive income, 8% every 4 to 5 weeks. You've got active income. And on the active side now, once the market stabilizes, you have stocks going up, you have bonds going up. So you can make money that side. And then because stocks and bonds go up, the US dollar will drop. And these funds, the passive funds, will be shorting US dollar. And that will cause gold to go up. And these funds will also buy gold. So you can see the exciting possibilities that you will have. And
so it's almost as if you've mitigated the risks.
Yes, it's called mitigating the risk. At the same time, creating different sources of revenue for you.
Wonderful. Sounds great, Ashwin. So again, how do we contact you?
bit.ly/algotrader is our WhatsApp address. And then our new website is algomasters.com. And you can watch this video at YouTube channel, bit.ly/algowealth. Please do give us a tinkle because we will gladly remove all your doubts for you.
Thank you so much, Ashwin. Thank you so much.